All right, sometimes when you go to the dollar store, you find some good deals. Check this out. This one was $4.99, but now it's $2.99. Look at that, clearance. So we got 3 of them, and this is what they look like. This hangs from it like that, right? And then it's right there. And then this you put through it and you just screw it on. With this bad boy right here, goes right there. You put a light in there and you just plug it in. Bam, Bob's your uncle.
Her big light is. I want to hang it from the ceiling.
All right, let's go ahead and do it. We're gonna set it up and take it over to Madison's house. So I gotta get this out. And so the way this works is, this hangs down, and this has to come through the top here, like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. See it there? So this slides through. Let me show you. Right here, it goes right in there like that. And then you come on this side, and you're gonna screw this on there, and that's what holds it. If I can get these things out of the way. Okay, here we go. I got it now. And now I'm just gonna screw this on. Let me do it like this so you guys can see. See, there it is. And now all I gotta do is screw it on there. Just like that.
Let's plug it in and see if it even works.
And then I just go like this. See that? Once I get it on, basically that holds it. And when I tap it upside down like this, of course I got a couple of the pieces stuck in there when I screwed it on. Oh shit, I gotta loosen it to get that off of there. Lefty loosey. Okay, there we go. Now we can tighten it. All right, so there it is. Check it out. Now we just gotta put a light in it. All right, to test it out, I got it set up on here. I just gotta take this off of here and plug it in, and then put a light bulb in it. Nope, I've got our bulb. We're gonna stick her up in here. You can see where it goes. Just gonna screw it in, and this is simulating the actual what it's gonna look like. Now we can change the color of the bulb. Remember that. Oh shit! Here, hey, I gotta pull it up higher. All right, hang on. So hold this right here. No, hold this.
I am.
Hold here.
I'm holding.
No, you can't.
I'm holding right here.
Oh, you just don't understand what I'm trying to do. You hold it over. All right, so anyway, I got to plug this in. All right, so we're ready to go. I got my assistant holding this. And we're going to plug this bad. Whoops, got to flip it around. Bam, that's in. Now she's got to click it right there. Ta-da! Now look, this is the cool thing about this bulb, is we can change the color on it. Watch.
What?
Yeah, see that?
Oh. I thought you meant you just switch out different bulbs. Oh, that's cool.
No. This is one of those change the color bulbs.
That's cool.
Take a look at it. Watch. There's if you're feeling light, if you're feeling amorous, bam, there you go.
If I hang it from the ceiling, is there enough cord to reach to that?
Oh yeah, definitely.
There
All right,
is?
so we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. You ready? Here we go. There it is. That's pretty cool, huh? Now let me change the colors. I reach up, I change the colors, so you can do different colors. Pretty cool. I think that's awesome. Looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right, I think that's gonna work.
Colors look okay.
I think that's gonna work. What do you
No,
think?
stop! Don't put me on that camera.
I think this is gonna work. Oh, she turned off the lights.
Okay.
Damn it.